Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to install Rocknix OS on our R36S clone and see if it actually works or not. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the process. Step number 1. Prepare the SD cards. We will be using two SD cards for this setup. Rocknix OS creates an ext4 system partition, which isn't natively supported by Windows. That's why the main OS will be installed on one SD card and the ROMs folder will be placed on another SD card. You can also use a single SD card and transfer games later through a USB device. Now I will format both of my SD cards as ext-FAT. Step number 2. Create DTB overlays. Next we need to create DTB overlays using our stock DTB files. Go to this website. Here's what to do. Choose your stock DTB file. Under joypad variant, select K36 2 sticks. If your joystick feels inverted after first boot, enable the invert option. If your display is rotated, select the display rotation to fix it. If you face no sound issue, enable invert headphone detection. I will use this option for my G80CA-MB V1.2 R36S since the sound card is inverted on my unit. After setting everything, click Upload. Then download your customized file named MIPI Panel DTBO and save it somewhere in your PC. Step number 3. Make it bootable. Now let's flash the Rocknix OS on your primary SD card. Visit this website, download the latest build, always pick the B version for the R36S clones. Extract it using 7-zip. Open Rufus, select your primary SD card, choose the image file and hit start. After a few minutes, your SD card will be ready to boot. Step 4. Place the DTB overlay. Once flushing is completed, open the Rocknix partition on your SD card. Create a new folder named Overlays. Copy your MIPI panel.dtbo file into that folder. That's it, your SD card is now fully ready for boot. Step number 5. Boot and setup. Now insert both SD cards into your R36 device. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. The first boot will take a bit longer, that's normal. Once it boots up, shut it down and remove your second SD card. You will see a ROMs folder inside it. Now restore your games back up there. Insert the card, power up your device again and enjoy the latest Rocknix build with all the advanced features. Now the test results. I have tested this on my G80CA-MB V1.2 R36S with panel 9 and everything is working perfectly. If you try it in your device and face any issues, let me know in the comments below and I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. See you guys in the next one.